We've put together this video demonstration to illustrate how quickly you can be ready to sell on 3D Cart. My goal in this presentation is to take an empty store, set it up, and have it ready for selling within 5 minutes. We have extensive articles in our knowledge base to help you get started. With this video, we just want to show you how quick the process can be. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to select our theme. I'm going to go here into Themes and Styles, and once I find the theme that I want to select, I'll just click on the Install Theme, and we'll say yes, and apply to all of these screens here, and our theme will be applied. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my store name and the slogan and our logos. So let's go ahead and type in our store name here and our store slogan. And let's go ahead and click on Browse for our store logo. Now I haven't uploaded one yet, so let's click on Upload Files and we'll drag our logo in here. There we go. And there it is. So we'll just select it, and our store logo is created. Now let's put in our merchant info and our address here and our city and our state and our zip code, and there we have it. So my store information is done, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add our first product. We'll go here to Products and Product List, and we'll click on this Add a Product. And as soon as the page comes up, we'll just type in the name of our product, and our SKU number, and a manufacturer part number, and our description. Well, we'll just paste our description in here. And the type of product that it is, it's going to be a physical product, so we'll select that. And we don't have any categories created, so as we're selecting the category, we'll even add a new category for it. So this is going to go into the Appliances category. Let's click on Save, and we'll just select it. And let's grab our images and put them in there for the product. And now let's price it. Alright, now let's go ahead and track inventory and put in the stock number for our product. And we'll allow people to buy it if I run out. Now let's go ahead and put in our product dimensions for the shipping calculations. And we're going to add some options for our product. So this particular blender comes in 4 different colors. So we have red, blue, white, and lastly the black. Alright, let's go ahead and save this, and our product is ready to go. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a shipping method for the store to use when somebody purchases from me. So let's go ahead and select the methods that are available. And we're going to go with the free shipping. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. And our flat rate shipping, I'll just raise the price to $8.95. And we'll click on Save for that. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a tax calculator for the product or for the store. Now we're in Florida, and in this particular county it's 6% tax, so let's go ahead and select Florida. And we'll leave the zip codes blank, and we'll just type in 6%. And now let's go ahead and select a payment method that my customers will use. And I think for simplicity's sake, we'll go with the regular PayPal method. Let's just go ahead and add my email address to my PayPal account. And we'll click on Save. And we are pretty much done. Let's go ahead and click on our View Store and let's place an order to see how everything works out. So we add to cart. Let's go ahead and select our option. We'll add to cart. And let's proceed to checkout. Okay, and let's go ahead and create my customer account for the store here. Select my billing info. Okay, now that the zip code is in there, it's going to calculate my shipping for me. Let me just finish my phone number here, and we'll select flat rate shipping, and we'll check out. There we go. And there's my store's first order. Excellent. So there you have it. In 5 minutes, I was able to create my basic store and have it process its first order. And with your 15-day trial, you'll be able to do much, much more. So good luck, and hopefully we'll see you soon.